Take a deep, centering breath into your belly. Exhale slowly, releasing the noise of the outside world. Bring your awareness inward to the quiet space in the center of your being. There is a voice here that knows. Listen to these words and let them resonate with that deep, inherent knowing within you. I possess a profound inner wisdom. There is a divine intelligence residing within me right now. My intuition is a powerful, accurate compass. I am deeply connected to my inherent knowing. This knowing is older than my thoughts and deeper than my fears. I trust this inner voice implicitly. I am learning to listen to the quiet whispers of my soul. My inner wisdom is always speaking to me. It speaks through feelings, nudges, and sudden clarities. I pay attention to my gut instincts. I honor the signals my body sends me. I trust myself more and more every single day. I release the need to seek validation outside of myself. All the answers I seek are already within me. I stop overanalyzing and start feeling. I release the need to know every step before I take the first one. It is safe for me to trust my intuition. My inner wisdom knows the way, even when my logical mind does not. I surrender to the flow of my intuitive guidance. Doubt is replaced by a deep sense of certainty. Confusion is shifting into clarity right now. When I listen within, the path reveals itself effortlessly. I don't have to force my life. I just have to follow the guidance. My inner wisdom is guiding me to my highest path. Every step I take, guided by intuition, is a step toward my ultimate fulfillment. I am moving purposefully in the direction of my dreams. My actions are aligned with my soul's true purpose. I am always in the right place at the right time. The universe speaks to me through my intuition. I am guided toward the people, places, and opportunities that serve my highest good. Doors open for me magically when I follow my inner truth. I am walking my optimal life trajectory. My path is unique to me, and I walk it with confidence. I feel a deep sense of peace knowing I am guided. I am supported. I am protected. I am never alone on this journey. My higher self is always leading the way. I trust the unfolding of my life. I trust the timing of my life. I make decisions with ease and clarity. My choices reflect my deepest truth. I am aligned with my destiny. I am open to receiving signs and synchronicities. I recognize guidance when it appears. I am brave enough to follow where my wisdom leads. My life gets better and better as I trust myself more. I am living a life of purpose and passion. I am fulfilled. I am on my highest path right now. I trust my inner wisdom. I know the way. And so it is.